how to contact all.com support. In this video, you would learn how you can contact all.com support. So, if this is your question, ensure you watch till the end so that you would not miss any important information. The first thing to do is to download the app on your device. Once you download the all.com application, open up the app. Now, once the app is opened, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you would see a welcome address, and then below it you would see a search bar and you see other options. Then the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see three icons such as the home, bookings, and account icon. Just go ahead and click on account. And then once you click on account, you'll be brought to the accounts page. On this page, you'll see status points, status nights, and then your account. You see personal details, work details, bank card, advanced settings, help, and legal information. Then log out. Then you focus on the help and legal information since you're trying to contact all.com customer care or support. Then after clicking on the help and legal information, you will be brought to the help and legal information page. On this page, you'll see several options, right? Then the next step is for you to select help, all right? Because that is where the support is. So once you select help, you'll be redirected to another page where you can ask your questions. You can ask your questions and then get answers to the issues that you are facing on your account. So this is it. This is the support area. So you can just use this search bar to ask all your questions, and I'm sure that you will be responded to. So this is how you can contact all.com customer support. Thanks for watching.